What is up, everybody? I am back with another video of Outlast 2. Welcome back to my channel. I am Seed. And yeah, if you didn't watch the other video, go ahead and do that. Check out all of them. I left them all in a little playlist, so you can go to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that too. So yeah, the last time we played, we kind of had some problems with some motherfucker. He know kung fu. He can know kung fu. He killed me. But yeah, let's just get right to it. So yeah. Okay, so oh, fuck off, trees. No, that's the way we came from. Jumping skills. Use your jumping skills. I know you got jumping skills.
Okay, I'm not putting a fucking toe in that water. There's something wrong.
Um,
What's wrong?
I don't even see the water. Can I? Oh, cool. So it's just a lake. So am I supposed to put a toe in that water or something? Fuck off, log. Hello? I don't think I trust that water. Yeah, I definitely don't trust the water. So I'm gonna go this way into the building. And it had to be locked. Awesome. Open. Nobody. Why is everything always jammed? Why? Why me? I just want to live my life and drink alcohol. Is there a way in? I don't think I tried this door, did I? Nope. Locked too. Is there a window? Nope, no window. I'm starting to believe that we are gonna go inside of that water, but I don't want to do it. Cause nothing comes good in big piles of water. Hello? I know kung fu. Hello? What's good? Look at these moves, dude. Okay, there's an open window. Go in. Cool. So we found a way over the freaking bar things to see if there's some batteries around here. I need some batteries. My eyes are hurting really bad right now. Burn. Hello? Batteries, nothing. Okay, so we didn't even have to step foot in the water. I found a way. Awesome. Glorious. I don't want to use that much battery. Cause oh, what is that? What is that? Is that? I think that's light, my sir. We need to get over there. Somehow. That, wherever that is, it's safety. That may just be home. What the hell just happened? Climb up, my sir. Climb up, dude. Okay. Why can't we just play Fortnite right now? Come on. Like, be like Fortnite and freaking build a freaking stairway all the way over there. This isn't Fortnite, silly booger. This is Outlast. Hello? Okay, this way. Ah! Fuck! Oh, there was a fucking way over down here. Parkour. Yeah. Awesome. Okay. Light here. We're doing parkour. Parkour! Oh no, don't tell me. I don't want problems. I just want to live my life and go home. Okay. Okay, I think they're a spook of me. I'm gonna go inside of here because I'm pretty sure I seen some bandages. Yep, bandages. Awesome. Is there any batteries? I need some batteries. Anything will help. Hide. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Let me grab it a little bit. Awesome. That's amazing. Alright. What am I recording? These rocks? Fuck the rocks. Hello.
Raft. Like
A raft. Oh, cool. So I am gonna go to the place over there. But for sure something's gonna go wrong. Because nothing ever goes right in this game. Okay, so I'm steering. Wait, what is that? What is that song? Oh yeah. Roll, roll, roll your dick. Roll it till you come. Awesome. Just leaving now. This is the end of the game. Why did I put my camera up? Yeah, we're definitely gonna get lost. I don't see nothing anymore. Wow, this is not cool. Am I even going anywhere? Doesn't look like I'm going anywhere. I'm definitely not. What the hell's going on, bro? Yeah, I'm definitely not going anywhere. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, the light from heaven. Go. Go. Oh no. Never mind, that's not no light from heaven. There's dead fish everywhere now.
The apocalypse.
These are
God, I'm
signs.
just losing my shit.
Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god! I just got ate by 2 tsunami. Oh no, I lost my boat. My boat. I'm gonna die. Oh, what is that? What is that? Go. Go. Where's the raft? Where is the raft? Go. 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 Swim. 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 I saw something. Oh my god! Oh my god. What? I'm getting eaten by a shark. Or whatever that is. It's part of the demon. Go! Yes. You can't get me, you evil demon. You will not take my soul today. Fuck yeah. F that guy, dude. Okay. Let's go this way. Let's go. Wait, well, where's the light? I could swear there was a building over here. I could have sworn I seen a building. I'm losing my mind now. Come on. I don't like being in this boat. No stuff. That moon. Really shiny right now. It's a full moon. I like full moons. This way. Oh no. Next thing you know, at the end of this freaking river, there's gonna be a freaking waterfall. We're just gonna die. It's over. I can't see nothing. Okay. I don't know how to ride this thing, okay? Are you even paddling? You're not even paddling. I guess we're just letting momentum take us. Cool. Get out of the river. Everything looks so cool. Oh, awesome. I'm finna turn into a werewolf in a minute. Ah, what the fuck?
Is there no excuse for a boat?
Dislodge.
Come on.
Oh my god, there's somebody right there.
Shit. Fuck.
Come on, hurry up.
Just.
Come on.
Shit.
Oh, we almost died. That guy almost about to come for us. He can't come in the river. He doesn't know how to swim.
Those are the ones. Glenn.
Yeah, they took Lynn.
I'm almost there.
What do they even want from her? Jesus Christ, it's just my girl.
Cult members are dead.
I think I know what they want
Good
from her,
Christians.
but I don't
Because
want to
God
say
said
it.
she had to die.
If you're an adult, you
Heretics,
probably
they-
know what I'm thinking
You
of.
want her to have the baby. Despite God.
Despite
What do you do when
God.
there's no baby? I have to. Jesus. Lynn.
Ah, see, he's talking about babies. Next thing you know, the Antichrist is gonna be upon us. We're all gonna die. What is that? Okay, they're doing some type of ritual up there.
God.
Oh my god, they set him on fire! Did he die? Because if you died, you're a piece of crap. You know how much things I've been through? I've been crucified, I've been buried alive, and I'm still alive. He was burnt like for a second and then fell in the water. This guy, I don't blame him for dying. Oh, God. I'm supposed to record this. Look at all these dead bodies. Oh, God, they're naked. They're naked. Okay, where am I supposed to go? It's not moving anymore. Hello? I think I got stuck. Oh no. Oh no, this is not how I wanted my way. Oh, okay, we're good. Okay, this way. Come on, what's wrong with you? Reload this piece of shit. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Awesome. Look at all these dead bodies. Oh, wait. I think I saw a penis. Never mind, he doesn't have a penis. They cut it off. Why is my boat acting like a piece of crap right now? I can't move. Oh my god. Oh! I'm stuck. Literally stuck right now. How do I get stuck? Tell me, life. Oh my god. I'm definitely gonna have to cut parts out. Hey, look at the little ritual though. They're looking quite nice today. Oh, yes. Yes, I'm unstuck now. Go. Go. Why won't you go when I tell you to? Listen to me when I talk to you. Okay, we're going. Just keep paddling. And masturbating. I wonder if Lean, you know what I'm thinking? Lean is probably, I really don't like her name. Lean. Lean is, I think she's pregnant. Oh look, they're right there too. She's probably pregnant with the Antichrist right now. Which sucks because my boy Jake never got to, never had to, you know, yeah, I don't want to talk about this right now. My boy Jake didn't get to lay his seeds in her. Yeah, I'm not. Okay, I'm done talking about this. Okay. Okay, everything's going right until your boat's. Ah, no! Paddle! I don't want to get stuck anymore. Go. Go. This river's going a little bit too fast. There's something gonna go wrong. Oh my god, I knew it. Oh my god, no. Jesus Christ. I'm dying. I'm gonna die. Was that part of the mission? I think
Shit.
it was.
Shit, the raft. At least they'll be there.
Where the hell is it? How am I gonna find it now? Oh, you see what you do, Jake? You see what you make me do? This is all your fault. It's never my fault. It's always your fault. Where's my raft? It's gone now. What am I supposed to do? Some parkour? Oh, this way. Yes. Okay.
There.
Where is?
The raft.
Oh, it's still there.
Just
Oh,
across.
there's an asshole over there. Okay, cool. Let's get over here. I can tell this is not gonna go right. It's too easy. Too easy. There's no way that this could go right.
Motherfucking no.
Oh my god. Oh, this is the thing I was looking at. Hey, look on the bright side. At least you found food. These are whale fish. I think. Yep, that's fish. And if you don't want fish, you can have some old skeleton meat. But that's up to you. Look, and there's even a fire here for you. You can cook them up immediately. Guess there's some batteries around here. I would much appreciate a battery. What? Get out of my way, sticks. Is there anything over here? No? I'm guessing that I would have to jump in the ocean, in the river, and get across. Awesome. Yes! Damn. Wait a minute. If he can push down a tree, then you can beat the fuck out of them. Come on now. Like he just pushed down a tree, but he gets beat up by everybody. I don't care what you're thinking. Ow! Oh my god. I fell. I fell.com. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm so dead. I am so dead. Oh my god. So let's try this again. This time let me look where I'm stepping so I won't fall in the river. For some reason I feel like I didn't drown. Some reason I feel like something grabbed me and choked me to death. Yes, a battery, thank God. And Richard. Hey Richard, you finding that abs? Cool. Love sets us free. Well, if you love me, let me go. You ever heard that song? Let me free, I wanna go. But look, the raft. Easy peasy. Go before something bad happens. Yes, this was actually easy. Awesome. Now let me make sure I don't hit any more rocks, because I don't want to do that again. Okay, just keep paddling, Not swimming, because I'm not swimming technically. I'm just paddling. I mean, who made this raft? Is it raft or raft? I think it's raft. Is that where I crossed? Oh no, it's not. That's not it. Where is Lane, for fuck's sake? All this for a girl that, like, come on, just leave her. Like, is she that special to you? You must be really loyal. Because to be honest, if I was in this situation, I'd be like, bitch, I'm gone. I'll leave her and go on by my self. I just have to see one thing and I'm gone. I'll be gone for good. But this guy, oh, they just did parkour. You seen that? They jumped over. Oh, they're doing it over there too. I don't like being in this boat anymore. I can't move right. It doesn't move when I tell it to. Jesus Christ, what's wrong with your rafts? No one likes rafts. Who uses a raft nowadays? Like, come on now, we are all into that cars and stuff. Wow. I'm questioning your smartness right now. I feel like I probably would have made it faster if I walked. This raft is just taking too long. I'm gonna put the clickbait as cross the Atlantic. Oh fuck! Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me right now. Are you serial?
There's the mine.
Oh, I'm still going, even if it's half broken. Ah, the mine. All this for the mine. Jesus Christ! If you wouldn't have failed the first time,
Call me the father.
I know it wasn't your fault, but still.
You haven't in months. You kidding me?
What did he say? I didn't hear. I didn't see it. God damn it! This is why I gotta read. I can barely hear what he's saying. I can just hear the freaking. Come on, dude. What are you doing? He doesn't even paddle. Like, I could be out of this ocean. Go! Go! Okay, he's paddling. Just not paddling like I would love. All this for the mine. Look, I was here at the start. Like, remember when I was crossing the freaking... the freaking bridge? And then I fell? Am I stuck? You gotta be fucking kidding me. Come on. Go. 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 If I can get past this rock, I'm good. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh no. Oh no, what is that? Oh no. Oh, what is that? Those are not humans. Oh my god. I just started. Okay? I just started. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Is that what was in the ocean? Oh, what's going on? You had to heal in the perfect time, right? What the hell? He came in the real world to fuck with me. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? He's following me. What's going on right now? Oh, don't tell me. I'm in the freaking school. Ah, he's coming after me. I hate you. Ah, I hate being in the school. I don't like the school. There's always something happening. Okay. Exit, yes. I would really love an exit. Of course it had to be locked. Why did I even bother? Well, I guess I'm gonna follow the light. The next light is the restroom. So I'm gonna... Oh, I could be a lifeguard for once. Okay, let's be a lifeguard. That's gonna let me climb up it. I don't want to go in the restroom. Okay, so I can go to the restroom where there's no light or the restroom where there's light. I'm gonna go with the restroom where there's light. Okay, I hear some noise, but I would prefer the exit. Of course. Oh my goodness. It's a bloody shower. What is that? I'm taking a video right now. Oh. Hello? Hi. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, the freaking toilet is shooting out blood. Why? Well, I guess that's what happens when a girl has their period. That was such a feminist thing to say. I'm sorry. Let's open this one. See if anything happens over here. Jesus Christ. What's wrong with this game, man? Okay. Oh, fuck. You can't do that to me, man. Hello? Hello? Okay. I'm pretty sure she went to this restroom. Hello? Please no more jump scares. Please, that's all I ask. Please. Oh, there's an exit. Just what I need. An exit. Yes. And it's locked. Well, I think I prefer going this way anyways. There's a bright light. Follow the light. The light will bring you to success. Oh, what's going on? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I don't want this right now. Please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Please stop. What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Leave me alone.
Fuck.
Leave me alone. Oh, what the hell, man? I am so tired of this freaking guy. I'm tired of the school. Hello? Locked. Oh god. Why do I even bother the freaking door that... I'ma just close this door. Cool. Oh no. Is anything worse than a freaking light shining? Hello? Okay, another little hangman thingy. Is there anything over here on the other side? No. Okay, I guess I was just looking for the paper. Anything. Let me see if I missed anything. Nope. Okay. I'm gone. I know Kung Fu. Just don't fuck with me. Oh, why did you have to be locked? That looks like a good place to go. I don't want to go in the dark place. Something always bad seems to happen in dark places. What am I talking about? It even happens in light places. Okay, I'm gonna just go. I'm gonna just run for it. I would really like a breather right now. I would like to breathe and calm myself for a while. Can I get a sip of water? Why is my controller vibrating? Oh my god.
Help me! What?
Stop. I'm tired. Leave me alone. I don't care about you, bitch.
No!
What am I supposed to do?
No!
Run! Run through the period blood.
Help me!
Shut up, Jessica. I hate you. I hate you. Leave me alone. Oh, there's a ladder. Please tell me that once I climb this ladder, I will go to my real world. I don't like the school. Oh my god, there's blood all over me. Okay, let's go. I'm guessing once I open this, I'm into the real world. Just like I thought. What the hell? Why is it red? Okay. There's a battery. Oh, we're good. Got some batteries. Hey, what do you know? Oh god, it's raining blood! What the fuck? What's going on right now? For some reason, I feel like the Antichrist was just born now. Was this part of the Bible or something? I feel like this would be part of the Bible. Like, starts raining blood. Well, I guess that's what happens when God has his period. That was kind of fucked up thing to say. I'm sorry. Alright, yeah, so let's just go to the mines. Let's find Lynn. Because that's clearly all this guy cares about. He cares about Lynn more than he does his life. So, oh my god, the whole sky is all red and stuff. This is creepy. Like, at this point, I would just leave. Like, I would just go. Right? I guess he's a determined man. He's not gonna let his wife away. I think I'm gonna just follow the... Shut up, please. Please, I don't like you whispering into my face or whatever you're doing. Hey, look at this. Why can't he just grab this thing and stab people in the face with that? This would be so much easier if you had common sense. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. I'm all... Okay, we're out of the blood. The raining blood. Please don't make that sound. Please stop making that sound. Okay. Are there any batteries that I can take? What's this? I'm gonna just take this paper from you, sir. Okay, you can read that if you really want to. But I'm not going to. Oh no. Ah! Did that fall from up there? Somebody is... I feel like nothing good can come from this. Crouch place. With... Oh. 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 Oh, he's alive. Hello? Oh no, he's not alive. But he's been crucified. I guess you have that going for you. I feel like somebody's right behind me. I do not trust anything. Get away from me. I feel like someone's right behind me. Oh, and these chains just go on a way to make it even scarier. Why is there chains everywhere? Do you really need all these chains? Oh, why did you have to die, you piece of shit batteries? I don't trust this. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm oh. Oh. I don't like the swinging freaking hook. I didn't pass by here. Ow! Leave me alone. Get off of me, you sick son of a
We tried
bitch.
to get her back.
Huh?
Before the enemy cracks her womb. But they...
Wait, Lynn? Have you seen her?
They killed us.
Oh.
The lucky ones they killed. Get out. We have to leave. We have to go.
You know, at this point, I would actually listen to the crazy maniac. Like, come on, dude, Jake. Leave your girl. Enough is enough. You tried hard enough. This is too much, man. Oh, but anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna end this video right now. If you liked it, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, and check out the other videos I did. I'm gonna leave them all in a little playlist. And also, you can go ahead and check out my Facebook and Snapchat at down in the description. So, yeah, I guess I'll leave it to there, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.